This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.